Hi, and welcome to Larry's computer class. Today we're going to do a sample video on PowerPoint. PowerPoint is Microsoft Office. You can go to your Start menu, Programs, Microsoft Office. And you can also, if it's something you use all the time, PowerPoint, same thing as Word, you can come over here till it turns blue, right click, hit copy, come back to your desktop, close that. Right click again, paste, and you have a shortcut. It's what they call a shortcut or an icon. You use it all the time. Instead of going through your start menu and having to go through all the buttons, you can simply just click on this and it brings you to your PowerPoint. Today we're doing a sample video, so we're just going to talk about a few basic things. Your home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, view, add-ins. We'll talk a little bit about each one of these. On your home page here, you can come to here where it says new slides. If you just want the same thing with different styles, different formats, if you want the same thing, you can click on the top and it will just give you another slide. If you click on new slide, it gives you a bunch of options of blank ones. You want two columns, you want a picture with a footer, you want a header and a picture, anything you want. You simply, whichever one you want, click on it and it will bring up that slide, and you can go back to all the different slides here. Now on this one, say you want to do a PowerPoint slide for a presentation, you can put in here your title, my PowerPoint slide. You could put in a subtitle and what it's about. You could put personal information, whatever your topics are going to be, anything like that. You can click off it. As you can see, if I click back on this, a little box lights up. You can change this, your fonts, simply highlight it. You can go to your font area right here, your font, paragraphs, drawings, edit, a couple settings on the end. You can come over here, you can change the style, and you see as I click on different styles it changes on your slide. If you like this one, just click on it. Size 44, you can make it 20, you can make it 66, anything you want, and as you can see it changes so you can see what you're doing. And then it just brings you back to the box. This box, you can also adjust the size of it. Go on the corner ones, you can adjust two at a time. And go on the bottom, up and down, one at a time. The sides, each side you can adjust, and you can also move the whole thing by simply bring this over this way, bring this one in this way, and center it a little more. The same thing on this box, you do the same thing, adjust your box size, adjust your font size, your font color, you can change your color. Click on the box, highlight. If you want this in red, click on red, click on the little arrow, it brings up all different colors. As you can see, it changes so you can view what you're looking at, see if it's readable, make sure it's legible, and you don't want to have too many different colors. It makes it hard to see. You also don't want your background color, which I'll show you in a minute, the same as your text color. It'll be hard to see. You can also, I believe, right click on this, format background. They give you all kinds of different options. A solid color, you can come down here to colors, pick your colors, whatever you like, make your background like that. Apply to all, that will apply it to all slides, or if you just click close, it'll apply it only to this slide. Other backgrounds, you have gradient, which gives you different colors. We'll get into that in the main course, how to do different colors and different phases of colors. What else can you do? Insert. If you want to go to insert, you can insert clip art, shapes, albums, smart drawing. Those are fun little things you can add. You can go in here, play around, see what you like. Different colors you can choose, text if you want to set up different things. Whatever you want to do. It's kind of like a little chart. If you don't want it, just simply right click on it, cut. Oh, actually we want to cut the whole thing. How to line up the whole box. Oh, this might work. There you go. Get the whole box to light up and click the whole box. Or as you could saw individuals, you can click on different things. Also insert, you can insert pictures from your computer. Clip art is default pictures that come with the program. Click on here. Computers, you can put in whatever you want, maps, globes, houses, anything you want, and it'll bring you up a list of pictures. And you can simply just click on one of the pictures and it will insert it into your program, into your slide. Photo out pictures. This is from your computer. If you have pictures in your picture file, you can click on this, select a picture, anything you want, and it puts it on the slide. And you can adjust this to any size you want. They can get pretty small. You can move it around. Simply hold down your left button, put your cursor on the picture, hold down your left button, and move your mouse. You can move this anywhere you want. Things like that you can do. Design. There's all kinds of designs. These are background formats. As you can see, it shows you what it's going to look like. If you want it, if it's something you like, you can just simply click on it. Animation is how you want slides to open up. Different animations from transaction from one slide to the other, how they're going to work. You can choose how fast, slow, medium. Over here you can click on this automatically after, and you can set this to whatever you want. 10 seconds. Hit apply to all, and what that'll do is each slide will change after 10 seconds. You don't have to do all. You can do individual slides. You can do all kinds of stuff with that. A slideshow, that's just going to show you the slideshow. Review. You can go through. Then when you're done with this slide, you can go to your next slide. Do whatever you want. On here, make your other slide, your next slide. To preview your slides, actually right here, you're on. There's three little buttons down here. This is where you're at now, where they're lined up in a column. You can click on this and it'll put them in a row, and you can move these slides around. Say you want this one before, go over here till you see this line and release your button. Same thing, put your cursor on the frame you want to move, hold down your left button, move it till the line appears where you want it, and let go of the button. What else can we do? To actually start the slideshow, you just click on this third button and it actually shows you the slideshow. You're on one, put it on one, click start, and it goes through the slideshow. There's only one, so it kind of went pretty fast, but it gives you the idea. Once you get into the main project, if you sign on to the intermediate category, we'll actually get into projects. We'll show you how to make multiple slides. We'll show you how to make them all the same. You can add music. You can add narration if you want to talk, things like that. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with PowerPoint. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was useful, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.